na kanta to kasi andito kayo sumusuporta sa akin sa pag-celebrate ko ng 10th anniversary ko. So I think everybody here this afternoon deserves another round of applause. Palakpak naman dyan. Alright, so that said, here's the song for everyone. Play music. Alright. Ayan o. Okay, sige, medyo palakpak muna tayo. Go with the beat here. When the night has come, alam niyo to, no? And the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. This is what you're gonna do. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, 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 stand by me. Wanna stand, just stand by me. Oh, darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, 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 stand by me. Wanna stand, just stand by me. Alright, ready? O, tayo lang naman dito. Magkakilala naman tayong lahat, di ba? So I want to hear people sing, alright? All you have to do is just sing the chorus. Ready? Ay, ready? Here we go. So darling, darling,
Stand by me, oh, stand by me, oh,
Lumuloko ba? Isa pa. Oh, darling, darling, stand.
by me, oh, stand by me, oh, by me.
Alright. Sige, I'm gonna make it a bit easy for you. O, sige. Ito na lang. Gawin nyo na lang yung gagawin ko, alright? Kopyahin nyo na lang. Pero mas
Go!
gusto ko, mas may feelings. Alright? Ready? Okay, mas madali to. Here we go. Whoa,
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 whoa, whoa.
Galing. Diba? Stand by me, oh, stand by me. Wanna stand, just stand by me. Oh, darling, darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Wanna stand, just stand.